Hello, hi, it's Sharon here from EarthSong Essences, and today I'm just making a short video just to share with you some information about one of the essences in our range. And the one I'm talking about today is mistletoe, and the mistletoe essence was made with a branch of mistletoe in East Park, Southampton, and this essence helps with dissolving the ego. It helps us to access more levels of light and love in our being. It helps us to, it removes toxic imprints at whatever level they reside within the system, and replaces those toxic imprints with love and light. And one of its key messages is about connectivity. So if there's any area of our lives where we are needing to improve the connection, whether that's within ourselves or connection with another person or connection with an aspect of our life, then mistletoe comes in and it really helps us with that. Okay, it also helps us to re-establish our relationship with light, and whatever level that means to us. Okay, so if you'd like to know any more, please do get in touch. And for the month of July, there's a special offer on certain EarthSong Essences, including this one. And through the month of July, then these will go out to people in the UK to order them. They'll be going out post-free. Okay, so if you'd like to try one of these, just please let me know. There'll be a link below in this video that you can obtain some. Okay, so there we go. So that's Mistletoe Essence from EarthSong Essences, which are pure healing essences to bring us back in tune with ourselves, each other, and the earth. Okay, thanks very much. Thank you.